Hey guys, just real quick. So if you have a Grand Caravan with either the AC not working, no air or anything, or in this case, the whenever you turn on the blower, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there's like ooh sound, and it wasn't there before. So what pretty much happens is either the bearing of the fan goes out, or it just simply goes out of balance. Okay, that right there is a weight, and that weight makes the fan to be balanced. So we're gonna replace the blower, and so we're gonna eliminate that issue. So to remove it, down here all the way to the back, you're gonna have two number 7 bolts, and then you're gonna have 2 push pins right here. So you're gonna pop them out, and then the actual blower is held on by three small bolts. They are a Torx T20. Okay, just remove those, disconnect the fan, and you'll pop down, put the other one back in, and you'll be done. All right guys, see ya.